Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible. And you don't know the thing said, people. Jada Kingdom again. You see, I should be apologizing for what I said yesterday, that Spice, invited 4 million people to her party, but that wasn't the case. I got industry insiders that was at Spice Love and Hip Hop / album release party, and they said that it was a special invite only, Yeah, but based on how Spice put it to the public, I'm not apologizing. But we'll get into that, and we'll hear from my source personally on how she got invited. Yeah. Also, I just watched an interview with Pretty and Rebel and Nara and crew, and basically she confirms what I've been saying from the get-go. You know what I mean? She and Rebel bus Iwaata and Intense. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. She basically said that, and also used Spice in giving them some clout as well. Yes, we're gonna talk about that. And basically confirms that she's still a couple with Iwaata, as well as answered some questions about Spice. Rebel went more into detail about her business relationship with Spice, and I think that might have explained Pretty and TC's relationship as well, because if this was a freelance thing, I don't know where the problem started. But I'll give you my opinion why and where and what caused the drift between Team Spice, And lastly, why did Spice put Team Spice ex-dancers like Rebel and others in Godong video starring Shaggy and Sean Paul? Yeah, so let us start with Iwaata and Pretty. First of all, Pretty, bless up yourself. It's always entertainment around here. You follow me on IG, and I can tell you rate Kingmixup because listening to your interview, I hear me in you. But yes, people, Pretty confirmed that she and Iwaata is still a couple. Maybe she didn't feel comfortable displaying it in earlier interviews, but I get it, Pretty. It's not a good look that you're in a relationship with somebody, As an artist, you want to always be open and available to your male fans and maybe female fans, because I don't know, some of them say want to be. But basically, people, she said she not leave Iwaata, And, Nara asked some questions, and she responded in a way that, she said she basically bust Iwaata. Him never have no name, so she tell him for come a road with her and all of these things. And when she was doing road, who was she working for? Spice. You see me, I say, and I said all of this. People who follow me from the get-go, say me say Batty Wall bust Iwaata and Intense. That's why them have so much Batty followers. You see me, I say, besides the Batty washer them. You see it? And me always say Iwaata and Intense career get bust by Pretty and Rebel because of them, they'd have the clout. And she basically verified that, you feel me? And that's not a bad thing, You're going to want your significant other, supporting you in your career, looking out for you, trying to give you that bust, that extra shine, you know what I mean? So pick up yourself on that, Pretty. So people, it's confirmed she's a happy stepmother. If you accept one, you have to accept the other. You see me answer? It's safe to say that she was dissing Vibes Cartel and not me when she said, big man, mix up and lie. You feel me? Because, Cartel was the one that draw Pretty in a, situation between him and Iwaata. You know what I'm saying? Every girl love the Six and Gaza, and you see, Bobby Six a play with pussy. I play with Pretty Pony like a guitar. Or rubbing it like a genie, but Pretty, you have to blame yourself for that one day, you know what I mean? You can't give your man them enemies nothing for run with, you know. Like you will never see Shawty in a blood clot alkaline music video or a Mavada music video. You see me answer? Yeah, so let's move on. People, based off of this interview, Mr. said the girls them never really want Spice name. And I don't know if that's out of respect for Spice. Yeah, because you know how Spice is with her name being called upon people's platforms, especially Nara. You know, the one she told for go suck your mother. Why? Spice never tell me for suck nothing a blood clot. You see me? If anything Spice would have said, come fuck out the NeedA life. You see me? But yeah, it looked like, sir, since the split, TC, Pretty, and Rebel is linking with all of Spice's enemies. We see Nara right here, Tressmaker Boy, Shensia, and the list is probably going on, you know. But like I was saying, Rebel mentioned something about contract expired and they was basically freelancing for Spice. So I don't know what was the issue. I mean, I think they was talking before the voice note came out. You know what I mean? The voice note just gave them, you know, an excuse just to, you feel what I'm saying? But if they was just freelancing with Spice and the contract was up and you don't see, oh, the economy are going, that's probably why Spice didn't rehire y'all, you know. It don't make no sense to rehire or no, and I can't gonna party and dance. You see what I'm saying? So maybe if they would have held off a little bit more, they still would have been Team Spice, if you get my drift. Now, before I let you listen to my homegirl explain that you did need a special invite to Spice's after party, you know, the Love and Hip Hop one that you gotta be, you know, tested for, and you see my answer? So like I was saying, the reason why you see Rebel, TC, and Pretty, whoever the ex dancer them was in Godong there, is because this video was filmed a long time ago. You feel what I'm saying? You have to remember, say, Shaggy and Sean Paul are some international stars. Yes, we have people that come from Jamaica that's actually on that mainstream-ish. You feel what I'm saying? And you know, with these type of people, you have to schedule. You know what I mean? Everything is timing. You know what I mean? This is why some people don't get to collaborate who the fans have want, you know, because it's timing and schedule. So obviously this is an old video. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So back to what I was saying. Hey, Spice Batty big, you know. Real or not. You feel what I'm saying? But yes, people, Jada King has a right to feel some type of way because she wasn't invited. And like I said, my industry insider, I won't say she's my industry insider, but she's definitely my source, or one of my sources in the industry that doesn't mind being out there, said you definitely needed a special invite, and she got one. So let's take a listen to her and then we'll proceed.
What's up? Jada, what happened with Jada? Tell me. No, Jada got herself in a lot of trouble lately.
Jada not going with nothing. I don't want to spoil the night and the press. You see me answer. I'm going to go enjoy yourself, you know.
What happened to her? She's okay?
I don't know. Are you for tell me, you know?
Well, I ain't see her last night.
Nah, don't talk about Jada. You're going to be the press.
Safari. I didn't see no Jada. I ain't see no Ramesh. I ain't see no Senshia.
Yeah. Jada said that Spice didn't invite her, so, you know, I don't know. I don't know if you needed a special invite to go. I didn't know if tickets were for sale or, you know what I mean.
You had to get a special invite for the Love and Hip Hop recording part.
Oh, the Love and Hip Hop was the special invite.
Yes, that entry part, and we had to take the coronavirus test and all that. Can I turn this light on?
Oh, okay,
Press the button.
okay. Okay. We finding out something new now. Y'all gotta like Kingmixup, man. And you gotta love me. People, make sure to hit the like button, 1,000 likes we need to get them video out, and make the place start look pretty and things. So there you got it, people. I got credible information for y'all that yes, you did need a special invite to the after party, the Love and Hip Hop one, where she was talking about Safari and all those people being there. So that's why Jada felt some type of way when she said not being invited. Spice put it out on her live like the whole world was invited. But she didn't say that the special invite part was for the Love and Hip Hop, and we gotta expect that part to be special invite because of the screening for the Love and Hip Hop, and you can't have people recording the episodes before it get out. So people wanna put in the comment section why you think Spice never invited Jada Kingdom, but invited Chanel Murr. I think Jada live in Atlanta and Chanel live in Florida. My homegirl that just spoke, she live in Florida as well. You feel what I'm saying? So Florida people flying out to the event and things. I don't want to say why she wasn't invited because I don't want y'all to say that I'm hating the girl. But there you go, people. I gave her the facts. As usual, newcomers hit the like button, and as well as reoccurring viewers hit the like button, and subscribers hit the like button. I have to remind them like me picking them. You see me, I said to them to learn. And don't forget to subscribe with the notification bell. Press all because around here so you get the latest and dance on news, music, reviews, and gossip.